All right. What's up, fellas? Today, we're gonna cook a tomahawk steak, all right? So overnight, I put salt, pepper, and if you want, you could add other ingredients right now, but we're gonna leave it as it is, just salt and pepper for now, left overnight. Or if you want, you could do a couple hours and you can see the pepper and the actual salt in there. So we're gonna go ahead and do side dishes with it, and we're gonna dress it up and show you guys what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and cut the vegetables first. Vegetables, you need to have every meal needs to be followed up with vegetables. So I'm gonna use little onion heads, all right? 2 squashes, lots of mushrooms, and rosemary, salt, sea salt, pink salt, all right, or whatever salt you want, and then pepper, all right. And when we're cooking it, we're gonna do thyme. All right, next one's easy. See how we have this ready to go. Next one's easy. So we're gonna get a couple scoops, all right, of butter. Don't ever buy margarine. Butter. Margarine is man-made. It's not healthy. It'll give you it's not supposed to be eaten, to be honest with you. So if you ever buy margarine, stop. So studies shows that ever since margarine was invented, a lot of brain stuff been happening since it cannot be linked though, so don't take this as a link to, but ever since the story behind is that when margarine was invented, a lot of Alzheimer's and other diseases, brain stuff started coming up. And it's because what you guys don't know yet, your brain is made of fat, more of the substance fat, you know, the real fat. And people are, I didn't know, I'm not gonna lie to you, I didn't even know about this. So if you guys notice, I just put butter in here. Lots of butter, garlic. Close this up. We're gonna add salt too. About maybe half a, not half a spoon. It's like maybe 1/3. That's it. And then we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna let this room temperature cool down, melt a little bit. And we're gonna use this to cook. All right, but rosemary, we're gonna do a rosemary. All right, this is gonna burn off. You don't have to worry about it. You can eat it. There's nothing wrong with it. You grind it finer, but right now I don't really care about it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna heat this up. All right, take it to the highest temperature you can. 6 for now. Add your olive oil or your oils, all right? In my case, I'm gonna add a little bit because we're gonna cook more with, instead of just a little bit enough to get the stuff going. The reason is I'm cooking everything with butter. We're actually gonna cook only the corners and sear it, and pretty much that's all we want. I wanna make sure it's going. So right now, at the same time, add your butter. So we'll stick. I'm gonna add all the butter in here. Let it get it to a point that's with the garlic and everything going. Put the spoon in there for now. Let it melt. Get that going in there. Make sure everything's in there. Get a rosemary. All right. That going. Get it hot. Get it hot. That's why I got the camera a little bit away, because it's gonna get super hot, guys. So we're gonna try to see if we could get some silicone spoon going, mix it around, get it to a point where it gets really hot. I'm gonna keep this around close so I could keep the spoon in there, but I'm gonna remove this spoon. You gotta prepare yourself to grab it with your hands, but I'm gonna use tongues too to rotate the whole thing. And then we're gonna start oven too. So I'm gonna start the oven, bake. We're gonna put at 325. It's gonna be when it's ready. Then we start going with everything else, all right? Look at this. It starts changing color, a little bit brownish. Then we start throwing everything in there. So let's go ahead and start the first process. Put the tomahawk in there. And of course, this is not gonna fit the whole thing, but it's okay. We want to grill all sides, all right? Move to the side. You're not gonna reach everything. Dress it up. Dress it up. Add some more in there. For now, we're gonna start preparing our vegetables too. At the same time this is cooking. We'll let it cook for a while and we'll flip it over in a bit. This is turning out beautiful. If you guys can see, it's ready now. So we're gonna flip this. Be careful because it's hot. Whoa, there he goes. Flip it over. Do the same thing with the side. All the grill stuff, look at this. Add it, dress it up. Give it the flavor that it deserves. Want to get it nice and charcoal in here. You could use a larger pan too. Don't you have to use, but I like to get personal. So as soon as all this thing almost burns off, then we want to do, once we get it going, make sure it gets a little brown in the corners. We want to taste it. Let's get this out of the way here. Gets a little hot. We're going to turn it down just a little bit. 10 to 15 minutes on both sides and the corners. We're going to do the edges too. Right now we're still doing both sides. I'm going to flip it over in a bit. Okay, now that we've done one side, we're going to flip it over. And it's a little hot, so be careful guys on this. Try to control it. Look at that, beautiful. Try to control it as much as possible. So right now, as it is, you see it. I'm going to add some more juices in here. As much as possible. It's beautiful, beautiful, I'm telling you. You could eat this just as it is, but we want the internal stuff cooked. Now, a lot of people cover the bone. I don't. Because it's not going to cook for a long time. Probably for an hour to half an hour, depending. We want at least 36 to 35 degrees in the middle. So we're going to try to see what we can cook as much as we can here. Get some juices going. You got to be careful because this thing falls, so it's going to splash some oil on you. So be careful. Whoa! Be careful, like I said. Look, I wasn't near me. I have sandals right now. Woo! That would have been a disaster. So let's move this sucker here. Flip it. Don't be afraid of grabbing the bone. Look at that, beautiful. Put it from the top. Then needs more in here on this side than this side. Yeah, cook it a little longer here. Let's turn it out beautiful. This is going to look like we're going to put the tomahawk on here, all right? For now, we're going to add some juices in here first. This is the zucchini that we just cut, 2 different ones. Mushrooms. I added the rest of the chives in here. Salt. Pepper. And all the drippings are going to be from the steak. And we're running out of batteries on this one. Come on, you could do it. Okay, we got it. And we're just gonna add the last of the thymes in here. Just add them anywhere. You don't have to eat them. And then this, we're also gonna add a little bit olive oil. A little bit olive oil. And then we're gonna cage it. Try to balance it out as much as possible. And the steak's gonna go on over it. So all the juices gonna give the steak's gonna give all the flavor to the bottom part. Make sure you balance it out, all right? We're gonna do that in a bit right now. All right, we finally, we're gonna transfer everything over on this one. So this one's well cooked already. Put it anywhere here. Don't get rid of this stuff. This is gold, all right? So you want to dress it up as much as possible. If it drips down, it's fine. That's good enough. Even the burnt rosemary. I love burnt rosemary. I don't care what you say. You know, put that in here. I'll put it up here. It doesn't matter. Put it all over. So here we have it. We're ready to go. Now we're ready to cook this in the oven. At least for half an hour to an hour. We're gonna check the temperature, make sure it's around 36 to 40 in the middle before we start serving it. That's medium well, all right? If you want it longer, then you shouldn't be here, all right? Let's put this in the oven. So put this in here. In the middle. And it's about, I don't know what time it is, but I'm gonna take a look right now. If you guys can see, this looks, all right? Come back in about 15 minutes and maybe flip it over. So we're gonna close this out. It's at 325 right now and let it cook. All right, we're gonna take it out now and place it for 10 minutes to cool off. So let me get my gloves together and set it up. All right. Let this cool off here for a bit. We're gonna check it out right now, see how well it is. Let's cut a little piece just to see how's the inside. Oh my God. Love these knives, sharp knives. Taste a little bit. Oh, wonderful. Look at that. Oh man. Medium well. Sounds good. All right, we're gonna start cutting some of the fat off. All right, I know some people like it, some people don't. So first of all, let me grab this here. That's the vegetables. Tradition. Oh man. This is probably one of the best meats off the bone. Probably the best part of the whole thing.